how to use presenter view in Google Slides. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can make your presentation a lot better by using the presenter view in Google Slides. So let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome and then go to your Google Slides that you want to present. So once you open it up, on the top right, you'll see the slideshow option. Tap on the drop down and there you'll find the presenter view. So if you tap on it, uh, the one pop-up in the front is the view that you will see, whereas other people will see the background presentation that is the whole presentation itself. Uh, However, in presenter's view, you will be able to see what is the next slide, and you can even add speaker's notes in the blank space so that you can look at it and make a presentation better. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.